Hello and welcome to my channel.
Alright, so today I'm working on this iPhone 7. What I will be doing is replacing the lens. As you can see, it has a nasty hole on it. So I'm going to fit a new lens to fix that. The lens that I have comes with the housing. Alright, so what I'll need to do is open up the phone, remove the lens that's already there with the housing, and then I'll be able to install the new lens. In the first step, I will remove the screen. Then I will unscrew all the covers and disconnect the connectors so I can take the screen completely off. Then I will remove the camera and push the lens out. Now that the old lens and the housing have been removed, I'll be able to insert the new lens. So the new lens has been installed and I've put the screen back on so I can test that the camera is working properly. So in the final step, I will assemble the phone and make sure everything is back where it's supposed to be. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and give us a follow at Mkonda Technologies on Instagram, and I'll see you next time.